Hello, welcome to Hevlendordesigns. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this text logo design in Corel Draw. So just pick your text tool. I'm going to be using the word typo, type out this text and choose any comfortable font of your choice. I'll be using the cadet typeface. Okay, so now that we have our text, next thing we are going to do is to, with the shape tool, reduce spacing between the characters. Okay, this is actually called canning, and do this and as well do it manually when you break the text apart. So we want to totally convert this to something very simple, so I would love to break it apart. I go to object, break typo apart. So okay, so all of them are single text right now. I'll select all of them, right click and convert it to curl. The shortcut for that is Ctrl Q. Okay, selecting all of them, also I'll take out the fill. I don't want the fill, I'll just give it an outline fill. So what we are going to do right now, I'm going to move my cursor to this node so I have a good selection. Just align this and do the same thing for the O. Align it to this. So this is what we have. For the T, I just select these two nodes, click and drag to extend it into this portion. Okay, you can just zoom in so you have a better view. For the Y, and adjust this a bit. So just select the node and align it to that point. So this is what we are going to have. The next thing I'm going to do is to use the contour tool and create a contour here because I need it. This is fine. So we are still going to apply the same contour here. So select the letter P and select the contour tool from the property bar. Okay, this here you can copy the property. So just have the same size on the same spot. So having done this, the next thing we are going to do is to build out the shape the way we want it, and we're going to be making use of the smart fit tool. So on the property bar you can choose a color for your smart fit tool. They just click to build this. Okay, I actually don't want this, so I can, let's undo. I think I know what has actually transpired. What you need to do, the contour, you have to break it apart, so when you want to use the segment delete, you can be able to use it. Okay, so you break it apart. So the virtual segment delete, so I can actually delete the part of the logo that I don't want to. So this part, if you zoom in, you will notice that it didn't align very well. That's why we are having that. I can just bring it in a little so it will align. Now with our smart tool back in, so we have this nicely fitted in. We have this nicely fitted here. Okay, we don't need this part and we don't need this part. This is what we have. Now we are going to weld all these different parts of this logo together. So if I hold down the shift, you can select this different part. Okay, hold down shift, you can select all of them. So I just deleted it. Group, or just ungroup and weld it at once. So you can see this is what we have. Bring this out. So this is how to, I think a path is missing. I need to add that off shape builder. Select here, weld, beautiful. Okay, so this is what we have. Just take this aside and zoom this. At this point, if you choose, you can delete this, but for me, I always like to leave it as a reference point. If there is anything I need, I can always go back to fix it. So I would like to convert this corner to curve. So I'll call up the corner docker. Okay, that's very, let's do 0.5. Okay, do think I'll pick 0.3, select this node and apply 0.3. So I'll do the same thing for this corner. Okay, just note that when you are applying the radius, if the radius is actually very bigger than the size of where you are applying it to, you will have that caution coming up, so you just have to adjust it. So I'll take off this, I'll just apply a little bit of gradient on this to give it this nice finish. So this is how. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Anything you don't understand. Alright, if you're new to this channel, you have to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. Okay, so I'm just applying the inner shadow to this to give it this 3D feel. Okay, so you can as well convert this to bitmap and add a little bit of noise to it. Add a little bit of noise points to it, and that would be fine. Okay, this is just fine. That is that for our text logo design. Okay, so you can check above and see other tutorials in this channel to learn more. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.